and welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, dead heat with 2 weeks to go before the general election. The RJRGLEANER Don Anderson polls show that both parties are in a fierce battle.
The polls were done from August 2 to 11 and has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%.
TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has been looking at the numbers.
The race is on for Gordon House.
What time is it? What time is it? Choose wisely. Choose Jamaica.
Pollster Don Anderson of Market Research Services put the issues to 1,008 registered voters across all parishes. Which of the two parties do you feel has the interest of the people more? 41% say the JLP, 40% the PNP, 12% none of them, and 7% do not know.
So in summary, there's no difference between how the two parties are perceived on this particular issue.
The JLP is going for a third consecutive term. They have been in office since 2016 and has been campaigning on a record of performance. Based on their performance, voters were asked, do you believe the Andrew Holness government deserves to be elected for another 5 years? 41% said yes, 41% no, and 18% did not know. Reasons for saying yes? Almost 7 out of 10 respondents say they are doing a good job overall. Others say the economy has improved. The administration has good plans for the future. They trust their leadership and are traditional supporters of the JLP. Reasons the Holness administration should not get a third term, according to respondents. They haven't done enough to improve the country. Cost of living is too high. There are too many broken promises. They don't trust their leadership. The party only helps certain people, and there's too much crime and violence. And now, the big one. If the election were called now, who would most Jamaicans vote for? 35% of voters said the PNP and 34% the JLP. That's a 1 percentage point difference. 14% are still not sure, and 17% of respondents say they are not planning to vote.
When we did the poll in April of 2024, the People's National Party moved ahead by 7 percentage points. We did another poll in September. The People's National Party were further ahead by 9 percentage points. Fast forward to February of 2025, and the People's National Party's lead was cut to 5 percentage points. When we did another one in around about July of this year, June, July, the People's National Party lead was cut to 3 percentage points. Here we have a situation where the lead has been further cut to 1 percentage point.
Most of the JLP support is coming from younger persons, those in the 18 to 24 age group. Most of the PNP support is coming from older persons, those 55 years and older. Of the 35% who say they will vote for the PNP,
the reasons totally unprompted. These are the verbatim comments that we got.
29% say they want to get rid of the JLP. Others say they always vote PNP. They want to give them a chance to fix things. The PNP will do more for the people, and there's more confidence in them. Of the 34% who say they would vote for the JLP, it's because they're doing a good job. They want them to continue the projects they started. They have always voted for the JLP, and they have more confidence in them. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.